Hello guys, so PJ here, and today guys, ako i-share ninyo ako ang personal experience and the feature of this pickleball paddle by Vatic Pro. And this is V7, it means it is the carbon fiber kind of paddle. So this is my first actually nga USA pickleball approved nga kind nga paddle, and maniuna na akong nagamit and it's really good. So karon akong i-share ninyo ako. First is the features and my personal experience ani. So if you buy this kind of paddle, nana siya paddle pickleball paddle bag. So the good thing ani again is very thick. So baga siya guys. So it means protected ang imong pickleball paddle. Now another one is let's talk about what's in the inside of this paddle. Kaya di man ito makita on sa sulod. But actually this is V7. It's a carbon fiber, but again the feature of this paddle is yung performance is honeycomb polymer core. It means na there will be more consistency and more power feel of this kind of paddle, labi na sa imuhang mga attack sa bola. Another one is the unibody plus foam injected walls. Unsa pasabot ana? Kana siya para na siya sa more control and more speed and power sa imuhang pagdula. So ako naka-experience naman ko ani, and I realize nga kani siya nga kind of paddle is bisag layo kaayo, mga long range, ma-place niya po nimo og sakto, and of course ang ma-control nimo sa kakusga imuhang layang ihatag sa bola. So lami kay siya i-manipulate ang bola with this kind of paddle. So let's get into also the three important features pod ani para makita nato, or unsa pa may lain nga makita nato ani. So first is it has a durable grip. So makita nimo tingog niya, grabe ang iyang kahait sa yung surface. It means na lami ko kayo siyang spin. Another one is the elongated handle, meaning pwede ka mag double hand backhand ani, and it's very stable. And then sa iyang ilalom is, if you look at here, medyo nidako because this is what we call the tennis elbow nga, kung para dili ma-attack, no? Dili ma-slide labi nagmuba sa atong kamot. So it's really good kind of paddle. Another one is what we call the thermoform carbon fiber molding. So kana siya, para ni siya, actually it's a T700 carbon, so very durable yun ni siya. Usa ni siya sa mga durable kayo nga kind of racket or paddle nga imong magamit for pickleball. So kung kabahin siya yung specs guys, average weight ani is 8.3 ounce. So for some less labuat-bugat, they will add on more weight sa kilid, or maybe gusto sila sa ilalom butangan po nila, so it depends. Ang core thickness ani is 16 mm yung kabagon. So di kay siya poppy but kusog siya, no? So yung pop is lesser, and the length of this is 16.5 ang yung katason, and the width is 7.5. Ang grip length niya is 5.3, and ang circumference niya dire is actually 4.125. So basically guys, in my personal opinion ani, gusto kag kusog nga paddle kani gyud, kung naanad kag hinay niya makagamit ka ani, makaingog ka sila kalapaw una. But the more nimo magamit, the more ka mag multi-balls ani, the more nimo ma-control o ma-appreciate ang spin aya o ang speed. So again, if you are planning to get this, much better find somebody who have this and try to swing, try to play maybe 1 to 2 games para ma-feel mo if imo ba ni siyang fit na kind of racket or paddle. So guys, mo na ako i-share ani, and for beginners I think mas nindot ang katong Vatic Prism than this, but if you want nga mo diretso ani para managoy mong practicean, why not, no? And then mas kusog yun siya power kaysa atong violet nga logo, this orange one. So this is V7 16mm Vatic Pro. I hope that you enjoyed this review. Ako niya i-share ninyo ang ato ang video while we're playing on the court. So if you have some questions sa ilalom, I'll try to answer it. Just comment below. And I'm not really a professional one. I'm also a hobby lang din ako, passion lang ako, but I'm still learning. I'm a beginner of this. So let's just enjoy playing together with our family and friends with pickleball. God bless us all. Enjoy and be safe.